Hi, it's Steve from Bosch, Technical Sales Consultant for Power Tools and Accessories. I'm here with the guys at Toolstop. We're going to do a brief run through on Bosch's hose saw range. Now again, as with a lot of our other accessories, we are innovative and develop quality and build quality. Innovation in this one comes in the form of our quick change system, where you slide on and you click on and you're away with your hose saw. As quick as that to change. Fits all of the types of hose saw we do. We also do a traditional style screw fix hose saw range. You'll find them in our electricians and plumbers sets predominantly, but we also do them as separate hose saws. So where Bosch innovates and where we do things differently is we build a great range of bimetal hose saws. So we have a range which includes the metal, which includes wood and metal, and also multi-material. But we also improve on them, so we've gone to our expert range. You will see the expert range coming into the Bosch range across all of our accessories platforms, drills, through recip saw blades, jigsaw blades and hose saws. So we have a hard multi-material blade, we have a hard construction material saw, we also do a metal saw from that. And the difference being is they're carbide based, so you'll get the strength of the carbide, the long lasting carbide blades give you 50 times more life over a standard bimetal hose saw. But again, it's just more innovation from Bosch and more quality products. We're going to do a demonstration of the Bosch tough material hose saw on the Power Change Plus system, and I'm going to demonstrate this by drilling through this wood with screws embedded, which shouldn't be any problem for this machine. What I will do is I will try and run the machine on speed 1, reduces friction, and let the machine do the work. So you can run on speed 2 and it will do quicker, but you'll get a lot more friction that way. But it's preference, the choice is yours, but don't always think you have to run things on speed 2. So this is the construction material hose saw. It's designed for softwoods, chipboards, material with no metal in, soft tiles and bricks. You will see this one's for speed, and it will go through wood and burst through wood really quick. So it's for speed and just getting through the hole through as quick as you can. It's available from 90 to 159mm diameter, and its wood thickness depth is 60 mils, so it's got a substantial drilling depth in it. So I'm just going to show you this on a demo on just a bit of pine. Check out our range of what we do and find out the saw that suits you.